Pooja.
Hello.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's happening here today? Tell me.
My heart is racing.
Yeah, that's normal. You're gonna be skydiving, so it's completely normal. But don't worry, we're gonna take good care of you.
Thank you.
Your job is to smile and have fun. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you wanna say anything before we go? Any message to anybody?
I think this is the best thing I'm gonna do.
I think
ever
so
in my
too.
life. And I hope I have a safe landing.
You will, for sure, 100%. You're gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Do you have any questions about the jump, about the briefing? Everything's okay?
No, everything is
Yeah?
fine. Yeah, everything is fine.
All right, Pooja, then let's do it. Let's have fun, okay? I'll see you in the sky. Enjoy it. Hey Pooja, welcome back.
Oh, thank you.
How was it?
That was amazing.
Was good? You had fun?
Yeah, it was amazing.
Congratulations, you flew for real. Very well done.